Hello, traders. Today is Sunday, June 22nd. This is my full top-down analysis for the pound US dollar. So on the monthly time frame, the pound dollar monthly, I think it is extremely clear that this is likely an expanding ABC crescent. First wave up over here is an A. We got three waves down with a lower low, wave B. We are likely now in a five-wave pattern to the upside, which the target for an expanding is the 161, 178, which puts us all the way up here inside this little box right here, right around someplace between like the 152, probably down to like the 148 area, which is definitely a pretty big area. But as this gets up there, I definitely think we will be able to target the turn on the shorter time frames. So going down to the weekly time frame. So one thing to really keep in mind is that these fib areas are areas of resistance for sure, and we're not at a Fibonacci area. We definitely do not have a breaker structure to the downside. So even if it does make a move down, it's very likely that move down is just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend, with in this case the weekly and the monthly. Going down to the daily time frame. Now it definitely does look like it potentially has a five-way pattern to the upside, but just because you see five waves definitely does not mean that a trend is over. A trend can make as many waves as it wants. To me, this actually on the 4 hour time frame really looks like a little expanding ABC crescent, and potentially this is just going to keep on going up. So let's take it down to the 4 hour because that's where you can really see, if you zoom out a little bit, this expanding ABC. Because first of all, we got nice five waves down, wave A. We got five waves up, A of B. We got three waves down, B of B. We got five waves up, C of B. Then we got five waves down for the bigger wave C. So this is like a perfect 5-3-5 pattern. And even within this wave, three waves of B, there's a perfect 5-3-5 pattern in there. So it definitely seems like a very, very clear expanding ABC crescent, 50% fib bounce, breaker structure. I think there's a good chance this move down is just a pullback to this last move up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. We did get a breaker structure. And this move up is definitely an impulsive five waves. So I think this move down is potentially just a pullback to this move up. So I would like to see more of a three-way pattern, maybe something like this, maybe down to like the 61%, or maybe it continues to hold the 50 or even the 78%. Either way, it doesn't really matter. I'm looking for a three-way pullback. I'm looking for a nice engulfing move up or a nice breaker structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level for my next entry to go long. Hopefully for a wave one, wave two, and then potentially the beginning of a wave three, which is actually just another subdivision of the much bigger trend on the much, much higher time frames. So hopefully everybody sees the importance of the full top-down analysis, even if you are trading like the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. The primary direction on the higher time frames is definitely going to keep you trading in the right direction more often than not. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.